What color does the sunset appear to the human eye on Mars? Red, blue, green, purple. Correct answer, blue. High-heeled shoes were originally invented for whom? French queens, butchers, Persian soldiers, ballet dancers. Correct answer, Persian soldiers. In Switzerland, it is illegal to own just one dog, goldfish, cat, guinea pig. Correct answer, guinea pig.